आ गया भाई आ गया, आपका अपने टीवी का ऑडियो अपग्रेड करने का टाइम आ गया। आपको एक स्टोरी सुनाता हूँ। आई रिसेंटली बॉट अ न्यू टीवी मेनली बिकॉज ऑफ टू रीजन्स। इट वॉज ओल्ड, मतलब इतना पुराना कि उसको ओल्ड कहूँगा तो ओल्ड वर्ड को भी शर्म आ जाएगी। सेकेंड रीजन वॉज it did not resonate with the amazing audio that the new content offers. Everything seemed flat and I really wanted something that could up the audio game. But problem थी ना, नया टीवी खरीद लिया था, so the budget was a bit tight. फिर बोट भेजता है अपना newest product, the Aavante Prime 5.1 Soundbar. And in today's video, I'll be talking about my experience with this audio device. शुरुआत करते हैं बेसिक्स से। The Aavante Prime soundbar is a 5.1 channel soundbar, which means it has 5 speakers placed on left, center, right, rear left and rear right with one subwoofer. It features a consistent matte finish across the soundbar. It supports wireless connectivity, but the subwoofer and satellite speakers are wired. When it comes to connectivity, you get Bluetooth version 5.4, HDMI with ERP pass-through, USB, aux and optical input. There are multiple sound modes which can be used as per the content you are watching. अब ये तो हो गई वो बातें जो आप इंटरनेट पर भी पढ़ सकते हो। मेरा काम है आपको बताना कि ये साउंड कैसा करता है। So let's talk about the sound output. As I said, this is a 5.1 channel setup delivering a total of 500 watt RMS output. And one big headline feature is Dolby Atmos. This means you should experience sound that moves around you, even overhead, creating an immersive 3D soundsphere around you. For example, आप कोई sci-fi movie देख रहे हो जैसे ट्रांसफॉर्मर टाइप, इसमें फाइट हो रही है, there are so many sound elements in each scene. Blasts, dialogues, music, sound of punches, swords and guns. If you don't have a good audio, everything seems flat and वो मज़ा नहीं आता. Both Aavante Prime converts that flat sound into an immersive experience by virtually putting you in the center of the action. If the speakers are set up in the right way, you can easily differentiate between each sound. कोई साउंड यहाँ से आ रहा है, कोई यहाँ से आ रहा है, कोई सामने से आ रहा है, और वो सबवूफर वाली रंबल तो है ही. In most cases, the 3 front-firing drivers handle the vocals. The left and right channels widen the stereo field, while the rear satellites are key to adding spatial depth, truly making you feel like you're in the middle of the action. However, this soundbar will specifically attract those who like bass the most. The bass is fantastic. But sometimes it can overpower the vocals and other audio. At higher volumes, the audio gets a bit shrill, especially in high-octane music scenes, so you may have to tune your audio as per your liking. This essentially means that if you are an audiophile who has strong passion for high-fidelity sound reproduction, this may not be the right choice for you. The soundbar also gets a remote that works. There's nothing fancy in it. Now, for the big question, the price. The Boat Aavante Prime 5.1 5000 DA soundbar is priced at Rs 14,999. What's the verdict on the soundbar? For its price, it offers a compelling package, a powerful 5.1 channel setup, the immersive magic of Dolby Atmos, versatile connectivity, and smart sound modes. If you are looking for a significant upgrade to your TV's audio, especially for movies and gaming, and you are on a budget, this would be the fantastic option.
Will survive!
What do you think about this video? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more such tech content.